Every premium material begins long before it reaches the factory floor. Careful livestock management ensures a consistent supply chain.
Ventilation's clear, flooring secure, doors open, ramps ready.
The journey from ranch to processing facility now begins. Efficient transportation links agricultural production with industrial manufacturing. Raw materials arrive at a facility built for precision and scale. Every incoming shipment is documented before entering production.
Unit 4, clear lane 2.
Accurate records support traceability throughout the factory process. Behind these walls, raw materials will undergo industrial transformation. The next stage begins where raw materials meet modern processing technology. Industrial processing begins with preparation and cleanliness. Each material is evaluated before entering production. Thorough cleaning prepares the horns for precision processing. Clean raw materials improve both quality and efficiency. Moisture control is the first step toward consistent processing.
This one's thick, bin 2. Got this horn is premium.
Careful sorting creates uniform production batches. Modern factories rely on data-driven classification. Precise organization maximizes material value. The finest materials are reserved for the highest grade products. With sorting complete, transformation can now begin. This is where raw materials begin their industrial transformation. Precision starts with accurate positioning. Uniform sections ensure efficient downstream processing. Careful processing preserves the horn's natural strength. Consistency begins with controlled treatment. Precision equipment prepares the leather for refinement. Thorough rinsing supports material purity and quality. Controlled moisture is critical for premium leather production. Reformation reveals the beauty hidden within the material. The foundation is complete, and advanced transformation is about to begin. Advanced automation now takes control of the process. Precision machinery transforms natural materials into refined components. Technology enhances what nature has already created. Controlled processing creates durable and flexible leather. Automation ensures consistency across every production batch. Uniformity is essential for premium leather applications. Controlled drying preserves strength and flexibility. Surface finishing reveals the material's natural character. Every stage is monitored for efficiency and quality. Transformation is complete, and refinement now begins. The final details determine the value of the finished product. Precision finishing reveals exceptional craftsmanship.
Natural materials are transformed into refined products. Surface quality defines premium leather performance. Protective finishes enhance durability and appearance. Stability and consistency are achieved through controlled conditions. The material's natural beauty now takes center stage. Accuracy minimizes waste and maximizes value.
Every component is prepared for final evaluation.
Before shipment, every product must meet strict standards.
Quality verification protects the integrity of every finished product.
Every detail is carefully examined before approval.
Precision measurements ensure consistent production standards. Advanced imaging technology supports accurate evaluation. Performance testing confirms long-term durability. Durability must be proven, not assumed. Structural integrity remains essential for premium products. Only approved materials continue to packaging. Traceability ensures accountability throughout the supply chain. With testing complete, the products are ready for shipment preparation. The final stage prepares every product for its journey to customers around the world. Protective packaging preserves quality beyond the factory gates. Careful handling maintains the value of every finished material. Every shipment carries a complete production history. Automation ensures safe and efficient handling at scale. Finished goods are stored and prepared for global distribution.
These docks are verified. Pallet moving to container. Align the next one. Loading in now.
The products are now ready to leave the factory.
And this is how modern factories produce luxury horn and leather products from start to finish.
From natural raw materials to premium finished products, every step reflects the power of modern manufacturing.